In this video, I'm going to show you 3 pairs of pants that are going to lift your butt, suck in your tummy, and sculpt your hips, making you look amazing and keeping you comfortable at the same time. Plus, there is going to be a straight leg, a flared leg, and a wide leg. So it doesn't matter what your body shape or style preferences, there is the perfect pair for you. If you're new to me, my name is Tracy Gold. I have been styling and designing for women just like you for well over 20 years. So let me tell you about these pants that I am so excited to have found. First up is the straight leg pant. Now, the straight leg pant is the perfect style for you if you are wanting something that is similar to a skinny. Maybe the skinny pant or jean actually really suited your body shape, but you want a kind of more contemporary version of that now because it feels like the skinny's gone so out, it's almost like 2023 kind of vibes. Now, what's nice about the straight leg from a style perspective and from a balancing your body shape perspective is that it still fits really nicely in the waist and the bum and the thighs, but then instead of going really narrow towards the hem, you have a little bit more of a straightness going down. So it has a little bit more weight around the ankle. That also will cover up a little bit of your shoe and elongate your leg, and it really is a stunning style if this is the perfect shape for you. But get this, girlfriend, this is the wonderful thing about it, is that they really do suck in your tummy and sculpt your hips and lift your butt. This is an NYDJ pair. I know some of the people from NYDJ, and I know that they are super passionate about what they do and really considerate about every element of the design. This is made of a really good quality ponte. It's got a full waist stretch. It feels really comfortable. You do need to go down a size with NYDJ, and this is really important because they are sculpted so that when you first put them on, they're gonna feel tight, but then they're gonna mold to your body and the recovery is really good. So if you wear your regular size, you do risk having a little bit of excess fabric. And let me just tell you, girlfriend, I have realized that excess fabric can actually make you look bigger. It has a contoured waistband, which actually means that it's gonna give you the really good recovery and no gap there, which is so important. Again, a reason why you need to go down on the size. Now, they are available from 0 to 18, and they are available in various different lengths. The petite is not just petite. The petite is actually shorter everywhere else where it counts. So my suggestion is take a really good look at the size chart before you decide. And even if you're not sure, maybe get 2 different sizes and decide then once you've tried them on. The NYDJ, I have to tell you, my husband was like, wow, you've got to have those pants. You've got to get those pants. And I'll just tell you, girlfriend, quite honestly, I am 51. I am in perimenopause. And although, I gained an extra like 3 inches around my belly when I started in perimenopause, it's a lot better now because I've been on hormones. But still, these pants are freaking amazing. I want to say that this is not a sponsored video. These are my personal opinions. These are ones that I have got that I recommend to my clients, and now I'm recommending to you. All the details of the items will be linked in the products in the actual video. Next up is the flare. Now, the flare is perfect for you if you need a little more balance of your hips, tums, bums, thighs. Now, you may love the straight and you may love the flare, and in fact, you may love the wide leg, or it may be that you put the straight leg on, you're like, not really for me. If you tend to be a little bit bigger on the bottom part of your body, then sometimes the flare or the wide leg is actually going to be a better fit for you. Now, these are the Spanx ones. I tried on some variations and I really like these. I find them very elongating. It is a very high-waisted pull-on with a nice wide elastic band. It's also got this pleat going down the body, which really does elongate. And what I love about a flare is that the flare really does cover some extra height of a shoe. So if you are petite and you really want to elongate your legs, these are going to be fantastic. They really do feel like they give the Spanx effect, but they don't feel like you're wearing actual support wear, which for me, I have to tell you, like, I'm not pro support undergarments, like sucky, what I call the sucky any thingy. I rather have a pair of pants that actually has it in there and it's all in one, but it doesn't feel like I'm wearing support. Inside of the Spanx pairs of pants, there is actually this sneaky little panel there that really does give the sucky any effect. And what's so good is it goes all the way down. So even if you have it as a lower belly, you're really going to get that effect. Now let's talk about size. My recommendation is with the flared specifically, which is going to be a little bit different with the wide leg. I'll explain that in a moment. But with the flare, go up a size. In fact, for the most parts with Spanx, go up a size because the fit is very fitted and it's quite a small size. These are available in extra small to 3X, and the big bonus is that it is available in petite, regular, and tall. Yay! That is so fantastic. So say no to having to alter your pants. Now let's talk about the tuck in or the tuck out. So in this one, I've actually tucked it in because I really want you to see how high this waistband is and how it sucks in. If you still feel uncomfortable with your tops tucked in, then you can take them out because you have got that suction happening in on the inside. Just to be aware though, girlfriend, and this is something I'm going to really warn you about, avoid wearing something big and baggy and long because that's not going to do the trick. Remember, you've got the suction thing happening, you've got the sculpting, you've got the lifting in the butt, so you actually really can afford to wear shorter, more fitted tops and still get the balance of these pants. That's going to make them work like magic. Now I've saved the best for last, the wide leg. The wide leg is my favorite. It has always been one of my firm favorites because it balances the body so well. Add now the sucky innie of the tummy, the lifty of the butty, and the sculpting of the hips, and you have like the perfect pair of pants from heaven, especially if the wide leg is suitable for your body shape. So what I love about these, this is also from Spanx. Again, it has that very high waistband with a really nice wide elastication that doesn't feel uncomfortable. Again, it has that really good stretch, and so it's going to make you feel like you're wearing something super comfortable, but it's got the Spanx effect, which of course we really love. And then going into this beautiful wide leg. Now, why do I love a wide leg? Because a wide leg really gives you that width at the bottom. You can wear a nice high shoe underneath it. No one's going to know the difference. And when you've got that weight at the bottom, it makes everything above it seem narrow in comparison. Again, I have my top tucked in, but you can wear your tops over it. Just again, the warning, the same as the flare. Don't wear something that's big and baggy and long because that's really, especially with a wide leg, is going to make you look big and baggy everywhere. And so the magic isn't going to be able to do its job. Now with this particular Spanx pair, I would go true to size because it is quite a nice big fit and it's going to make a difference. Remember, you kind of want to get that size that fits a little on the tight side to allow it to stretch, but you don't want it so tight that you feel uncomfortable. It is a little bit of a balancing act. It is also available in an extra small to a 3X in a petite, regular, and tall. So fabulous. Now, if you love these tips, but you really want a fast track way of figuring out what works for your body shape, what you should have in your wardrobe, how to get those items at a really great price, and make sure that you're gonna love to wear them, then I offer one-on-one styling sessions. And this is what I help my clients with all the time. So I will put the details in the description box below. I offer them online, so wherever you are, and in person here in New York City. I'll see you in the next video.